Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm MotionSpark, and today I've prepared a very special and useful tutorial for you. But before we begin, let me remind you of something important. According to the analytics, most of the people who watch my videos are not actually subscribed to the channel. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really motivates me and helps you stay updated with my latest tutorials. Now, let's get started. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the viral Earth zoom out effect using After Effects and Higgsfield AI. We'll go step by step without skipping any details.
First, we import our video into After Effects.
Drag and drop the video into the composition panel to create a composition with the video's original settings. Next, we need to take a still frame from the very first frame of the video. To do this, move the timeline to the beginning and go to Composition, Save Frame As, File. In the render settings, choose JPG in the output module and save it to the desktop.
Now, open your browser and go to higgsfield.ai. In the Visual Effects section, scroll down and select Earth Zoom Out. Then click Generate. In the panel that appears, click Upload Image and select the JPEG file we just exported from After Effects. Without changing anything, click Generate again and wait a few moments while your video is created. Once it's ready, you can preview it by pressing the play button. If you like the result, click the download icon at the top to save the video. Now let's go back to After Effects. Import the downloaded video file and place it above the original video in the timeline. Since the size is smaller, right-click the video and select Transform, Fit to Comp to match it with the composition size. What we want here is the camera moving through the clouds and approaching the car. To achieve this, right-click on the video and select Time Reverse Layer so that it plays from the end to the beginning. Next, align the bottom video to match the end of the top video. Since we don't want the Earth globe at the very start of the clip, select both videos and pre-compose them. Move a little forward in the timeline, and at the point where the clouds appear, use Split Layer to cut off the beginning of the video and delete it. Finally, adjust the clip to fill the empty space at the start and trim the ending to where you want it to stop. And that's it. Our viral Earth zoom out effect is complete. All right, friends, as you can see, step by step, we've successfully created the viral Earth zoom out effect together. I truly hope this tutorial was not only informative, but also inspiring for you. For me, the greatest joy is knowing that my content helps you learn something new and sparks your creativity. Producing these tutorials takes a lot of time and effort. I plan them, record them, edit them, and make sure every detail is explained as clearly as possible. If you appreciate this work and would like to support me, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends.
I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Your feedback, your questions, and your suggestions for future tutorials are extremely valuable to me. They help me understand what you're looking for and allow me to shape my content to better fit your needs. And remember, I'll continue to upload new tutorials every week. Whether it's After Effects or creative AI tools, I'll keep sharing useful tips and techniques to help you take your creativity to the next level. So, by subscribing, you can join me on this journey of learning and growth, and together we can create amazing things. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care and stay creative.